Alright guys, time for the next big step. Getting rid of these stock tires, putting on the mud terrains. As you can see, we got all 5 tires and all the stock tires. And also, let's open up the GMC. We got the fuel wheels inside. So we're ready to go. We're gonna go to the tire shop, get this all installed, and install it on the Jeep, the EcoDiesel. Excited for this. Let's go, guys. Guys, so we're back from the tire shop. It's freaking hot out here. Special shout out and thanks to my brother right here, Rudy. Helped me out. Loaded up everything on his truck. We took the tires and we got them installed. So these things are a beauty. So now all we gotta do is just unload it. We're gonna leave it later for the installation because it's freaking hot right now. So we're just gonna throw it in the shop and then it's on the Jeep. So this is it, guys. The wheels are here. 37-inch tires, mud terrains. Let's get them on the Jeep and then see how it looks. So let's take a look at the new shoes. See them right here. I went with the Mickey Thompsons Deegan 38s. These are the ones I run on the Jeep YJ El Jefe, so I decided to go with these. I know they're kind of a low budget tire, but they're in entry levels, I think. But they're good mud terrain, so I just decided to go with these. I can always upgrade them later on. But basically, this is it. We got some champagne here. We're gonna pop bottles right now to celebrate this. I mean, this is a big upgrade for my Jeep. It looks great already, so I don't know what you guys think. It's gonna look sick once we install them. Alright guys, so we're gonna finally install these tires on and wheels. And it's just gonna complement the Jeep. So let's zoom in and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna torque these down real quick. And then we're gonna roll out the shop with some brand new shoes on this brand new Jeep JL EcoDiesel. Let's go. So we're gonna use the Big Daddy snap-on 1/2-inch impact gun to get these tires secure in there so when I'm rolling these things won't pop out. So let's get this on. My dad, rest his soul, showed me this trick. Just maneuver it with your feet and lift up the tire, and then you don't stress out your back. So that's a good tip for you guys. You guys ever want to do that? And you guys even have trouble lifting up this 37, which by the way, this fuel wheel is actually very light. The tire guy that installed these wheels and balanced them, he said like you got some really good wheels because these things are very light and they were able to balance real easy. So I'm happy with that. Wonderful Wheel Parts, not sponsored by them, but I do got some friends there at 4 Wheel Parts, so they hooked it up with some parts and lug nuts right here. So remember guys, always start them off by hand. Recuerden amigos, empiecen siempre con las tuercas, con los dedos, ¿verdad? Antes de darle con la pistola, porque si no van a fregar el tornillo, ¿verdad? You don't want to mess up the threads, because then that's going to be a nightmare. I've had that happen to me in the past, so not a good thing. Alright guys, exciting part, let's get this wheel locked up. Alright guys, so the last tire and wheel for the Jeep, they were going to let it land on its weight and then let the suspension settle by itself. Of course, don't forget to always get an alignment. Make sure everything's rolling accordingly and get perfect tire wear and all that. So overall, I like the wheels, they look cool. I don't know, comment down below what you guys think. I know the Method wheels are very popular wheels. A lot of people are getting Method wheels. The bead locks, of course. I didn't go with bead locks just because, you know, I'm not an tire expert, so I don't want to mess up my wheels and tires. But that's fine though. Right now, I don't need bead locks. I know they're super heavy. Maybe like an extra, I don't know, 30, 40 pounds maybe. I don't need that right now, so maybe down the line I'll get some bead locks, but for now, you know, I decided to go with some regular fuel wheels. And I think these will work and serve their purpose, so that should be fine. So let's torque these last ones. you have it, guys. We installed the wheels, and I'm not going to show you guys the entire Jeep. That's going to be the next video, guys. Still got one more thing to install. As you guys can tell, a small clue here, I didn't install the fifth tire, which I have a fifth tire. So you guys already know what that is. So we're going to leave for the next video, and then once we do that, I'll reveal the entire look of the Jeep. Alright, so stay tuned for that, guys. Bueno, amigos, aquí terminamos este video. Ya instalamos las 4 llantas en el Jeep. Así que, como vieron, tengo 5 llantas. No instalé la quinta llanta. Vamos a esperar hasta el siguiente video. Así que continúen viendo el siguiente video donde voy a demostrar dónde va a ir esa llanta. Y ya después que instalemos eso, vamos a esperar otro video. Y en ese video vamos a ver todo el Jeep, ¿verdad? Cómo se ve en su totalidad con las 5 llantas y levantado con la suspensión. Así que no se pierdan este siguiente video. ¿Ok, amigos? Alright, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Later, guys.